All right, all my viewers, all my people, this ain't a joke, man. Y'all see the title? I need everybody on the lookout. I need you to call your people, call your peoples. And if you out there, I know y'all see they go wide and far. And y'all got my fam car. You need to return it. And if you see this car, I want y'all to hit me or hit him or hit me. Hit me ASAP Rocket, man. Any way you can, contact me. I'm posting this on all platforms. The car been gone since Friday from Greensboro, Georgia. And if y'all see this car, man, be on the lookout. Need that back. If you see the rims, you see anything, you see the engine, anything, hit me, man. If you know anything, hit me up. jmalcolm2004@gmail.com, man. Somebody done stole my fam car. This is not a game. I'm putting this video out. Y'all know if I'm posting this stuff this late, y'all be on the lookout for this car. Hit me up. Information gonna be on the screen, or you can hit him, contact him directly, or you can contact his wife. You inbox somebody, hit us up, man. ASAP Rocket. That's why I'm putting this video up out there ASAP, man. Somebody stole my boy car, so y'all hit him up and hit me up. All right, so I just put the pictures in there, man. I'm gonna tell y'all something, man. If you out there, man, you a criminal, boy, y'all make me sick, man. Y'all broke. Y'all hear this all the time. You broke. You ain't got no life. You ain't got no home training. Didn't nobody teach you nothing, man. You sitting up there taking from people who work hard for their stuff. And I get tired of seeing this time after time, man. Y'all up here done stole from a good man, good family man. Take care of your family. Don't do nothing illegal. That put blood, sweat, and tears into something, and somebody want to come take it. Or you might have something there going on. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else might be crooked. That's all I'm saying. But I ain't finna get too deep in all that. Man, if y'all see this car, hit me up, ASAP Rocket. And if he can't be on the way, I'm going to be on the way wherever it's at. Y'all hit me up. Make your call, this and that. This a good man. This a good family man. I'm telling you. Y'all took from a family, really. Y'all took from a family, man. So, if y'all see that car, Greensboro, Georgia, and I know somebody up there around the area done did it. Some broke joker ain't got no money from one of these surrounding counties around that Greensboro area, ain't got no money, ain't got no life, ain't got no paper, done did it. So, y'all be on the lookout. If you know something, hit me up. I get in contact with him. Or I got their information on screen too. So that's it, man.